will show you a little tips, little tutorial and how enable hidden features and folders in the File Explorer. So it's really easier procedure. Sorry, Chelsea and Tottenham for 2 hours. Sorry, this is not content, but I see here it's football. And sorry guys for that. How to enable, like I said, hiding features and folders. Go see how you will know it's enabled. Easy. Go to your PC and C drive, open C drive, and then Windows. No Windows. You will see here program files, 86 and users, but I think program data must be, as you see now, it's not here. And just go how to enable, just go to here to 3 dots, go to option, and when you open folder options here, see, you can look here and to view, and here hidden files and folders. You can see don't show hidden files and folders or drivers, and now show, and when you hit apply you will see here, and you will see here program data, and this is, and here lots of things, OneDrive, software distribution, lots of things we have here. Let's see if you want packages, as you see now, really lots of and NVIDIA if you want to clean of your NVIDIA clean cache files, you have on my sorry, you have on my see here package cache and how to clear NVIDIA cache. You can go to my channel and you will see, and if you don't want to see that, just go same step, just proportion, and you'll see go to view, you'll see here, see program data, just don't show and apply, you will see there is no here, and hit OK. Close. And guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. If you're not my subscriber, please subscribe on my channel and hit like button and the ring bell. I will be thankful, but nothing cost. So thank you for watching and bye.